Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kamrun Nahar. Today is chapter 10 coordination and today is my second lecture. Okay, here is a stem. Please see that A means one kind of gland, okay, B one kind of gland and C one kind of gland. Please remember these A, B and C. Okay, this type of question আমরা অনেকদিন ধরে পড়ি না। হ্যাঁ, দেখো, হোয়াট ইজ সিনেপস, হোয়াট ইজ রিফ্লেক্স সেকশন। হোয়াট ইজ সিনেপস? প্লিজ রিমেম্বার দ্যাট synapse is found in neuron, okay, between the two adjoint neurons a bridge or teeny gap, okay, teeny means choto, teeny gap is present between axon of a neuron with the dendrite of the other, okay. The size or function of these gaps are called synapse, okay. Between two neuron junction is known as synapse, okay. What is reflex action? Reflex action is means sudden response, okay. হঠাৎ, ঠিক আছে, reflex action is sudden response or automatic reaction, okay. This is a automatic reaction in your body, okay. The immediate response to a specific stimulus is not controlled by spinal cord instead of brain, okay. Reflex action controlled by spinal cord but not brain is called reflex action, okay. Then B, which organ of the uterus play at kidney, okay. Which organ? Please remember this. Which organ of uterus play act as kidney, okay. ইউটেরাসের কোন অর্গানটা তোমার কিডনি বৃক্কের মতো কাজ করে? একটু মনে করো, ইউটেরাসে আমার অনেকগুলো অর্গান আছে, তার মধ্যে কোন অর্গান? দ্য অর্গান অফ দ্য ইউটেরাস হুইচ অ্যাক্ট অ্যাজ কিডনি ইজ প্লাসেন্টা, ওকে. ইউ নো ওয়েল হোয়াট ইজ প্লাসেন্টা. প্লাসেন্টা ইজ এ টেম্পোরারি অর্গান, okay, temporary organ through which the fetus in the uterus is connected to the tissue of the mother, প্লাসেন্টা হচ্ছে এমব্রায়োটাকে মাদারের সাথে কানেক্ট করে রাখে, ওকে. মেটাবলিক ওয়েস্ট প্রোডাক্ট ইজ ডিফিউজড ফ্রম দ্য এমব্রায়োনিক ব্লাড ক্যাপিলারিজ ইনটু দ্য মাদার্স ব্লাড স্টেম। ইন দিস ওয়ে দ্য ওয়েস্ট প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাজ এলিমিনেটেড, ওনার কাজ হচ্ছে বর্জ্য পদার্থ নিঃসরণ করা। এর দেন সি, explain the substance which is secreted from A and C marked part of the stem. Here A is, guess, any idea? A and C marked parts of the stem indicate A is beside the trachea, okay. This is trachea and here A gland is situated, so this is trachea, okay. A marked part is trachea and C marked part is, here C marked gland is up of the kidney, okay. কিডনির উপরে, ওভার অফ দ্য কিডনি, ওভার অফ দ্য কিডনি, দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ অ্যাড্রেনাল গ্ল্যান্ড, অ্যাড্রেনাল, okay, adrenal gland. So A is thyroid gland and C is adrenal gland, okay. These are endocrine gland. Endocrine means অন্তঃক্ষরণ, okay. Endocrine glands and the substance, অন্তঃক্ষরণ means দেহের মধ্যে, okay. In your body it is not find by outside, okay. These are endocrine glands and the substance which is secreted from this gland is called hormone, okay. This is known as hormone. First one, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, the thyroid gland is situated at the upper part of the trachea, okay. Not situated here, it is upper part of trachea. Upper part of trachea is produce, this gland is produce thyroxine hormone, Okay, hair produce thyroxine hormone. Hormone secreted from the thyroid gland controls the rate of metabolism. Okay, these hormones secreted from the thyroid gland. Okay, this is thyroid gland and the hormone name is thyroxine, controls the rate of metabolism. It also secreted another hormone. Okay, not only thyroxine but another hormone also secreted. These are calcitonin, which help in calcium metabolism. Okay, this is the uh, feature of thyroid gland. Then adrenal gland. The adrenal glands are located just above the kidney. Okay, this is just above the kidney. Adrenal glands regulate essential metabolic processes. These glands secrete adrenaline, Naline. Okay, adrenaline hormone. Okay, so adrenal glands secreted adrenaline hormone. It helps to relieve from mental pressure. Okay, when we are depressed or more mental pressure, then the adrenal gland is effective. Okay, so this adrenal gland secreted adrenaline hormone and it helps to relieve from mental pressure. Okay, this is the answer of 3. Then go to D. Which problem will be created for the lacking of hormone that's secreted from figure B? Analyze it. Okay, which problem will be created from the lacking, okay, from figure B, secreted from B. Here B mark is pancreas. Okay, below the stomach, this is pancreas. Okay, B mark part of the figure is pancreas. Within the pancreas there are ductless gland. Okay, ductless gland, the name of the gland is islets of Langerhans. Okay, so the islets of Langerhans, these glands secrete the hormone, most common hormone, you know well, the insulin. Okay, these glands secrete the hormone insulin. Insulin regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate. Okay, this is the main function of insulin. Insulin regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate. If the pancreas fail to produce the required amount of insulin, যদি তোমার প্যানক্রিয়াস পরিমাণ মতো ইনসুলিন তৈরি করতে না পারে, দেন দ্য লেভেল অফ গ্লুকোজ ইনক্রিজ ইন দ্য ব্লাড অ্যাবাভ দ্য নর্মাল লেভেল। ওকে, যদি তৈরি করতে না পারে তখন তোমার ইনক্রিজ ইন দ্য ব্লাড অ্যাবাভ দ্য নর্মাল লেভেল, দ্য ইনক্রিজ blood sugar. Okay, blood sugar is high than the normal level. Okay, then glucose is released in the urine. ঠিক আছে, ডায়াবেটিসে যেটা হয়, হ্যাঁ, গ্লুকোজ রিলিজ ইন দ্য ইউরিন। দ্য কন্ডিশন ইজ কল ডায়াবেটিস মেলিটাস অর ডায়াবেটিস। ওকে, আর বাংলায় কি বলে? বহুমূত্র। ওকে, সো দিস কন্ডিশন ইজ কল ডায়াবেটিস মেলিটাস। ওকে, then you write that diabetes is of two types, type 1 and type 2. Okay, these are two types, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 the patient body does not produce insulin at all. Okay, patient body does not produce insulin at all, type 1, so the patient has to take insulin injection. Clear? Insulin is partially produced, type 2 patient body. I am a patient of diabetes type 2. Okay, insulin is partially produced. In this situation the patient has to take medicine orally to help pancreatic cell to produce adequate amounts of insulin. So I take medicine, okay, for insulin produce cell to produce adequate amount of insulin. Sometimes in the case of type 2, ঠিক আছে, type 2 diabetes, there may be the change of permanent deficiency of insulin. টাইপ 2 এর ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু অনেক সময় এমন হতে পারে, হ্যাঁ, দেখো change of permanent deficiency of insulin, or if medicine is prohibited due to other disease, then there is no option but to take insulin injection. হ্যাঁ, টাইপ 2 রোগীর ক্ষেত্রে এমন হয় যে তাদের যে কোনো অন্য একটা অসুখ বেড়ে যায় বা অন্য একটা সিমটমস হয়ে যায়, তখন আর তারা সেই মেডিসিনটাকে টেক করতে পারে না। হ্যাঁ, তখন তাদের কি করতে হবে? টাইপ 1-এর মতো ইনজেকশনটা নিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, then this disease is usually genetically, okay, this disease means diabetes, usually genetically transmitted or occurs under the influence of the environment. It is not an infectious or contagious disease, okay, not an infectious, okay. When the level of glucose increase in the blood above the normal level, then the symptoms are frequent passing. Okay, some symptoms you will write. Okay, symptoms are frequent passing of urine, excessive thirst, excessive hunger, gradual loss of weight in spite of excessive eating. হ্যাঁ, অনেক খাওয়া সত্ত্বেও শরীর কী হয়ে যায়? শুকিয়ে যায়। ফিলিং টায়ার্ডনেস অ্যান্ড উইকনেস, ওকে, ডিস্টার্ব ভিশন, চোখে দেখতে সমস্যা হয়, তারপর রাফনেস অফ স্কিন অ্যান্ড ডিলেইং হেলিং অফ ওনস। Okay, so you will write some symptoms and type 1, type 2 and pancreas and the islets of Langerhans and the secreted hormone is insulin. So you will write and this is carefully these symptoms and etc. Okay, this question is Kumilla Board 2019, and this question is very important from chapter 10 coordination and chapter 1 another creative question Joshore Board 19 already I have given you, and today this question is Kumilla Board 19. This is the another important question. Then the important A and B question in this chapter. What is phytohormone? The biochemical substance which is produced in the plant body regulates growth and development of the plant is called phytohormone. Okay, this is a important question. This question is অনেক বোর্ডেই এসেছে, ঠিক আছে, many boards you can found. Then what is vernalization and what is vernalization? This is another important question. The acceleration of flowering of plants by applying chailing on them is called vernalization. Okay, and then what is reflex action and what is nervous tissue? This is another important question. What is nervous tissue? Have any idea? The tissue that can receive stimulus from the environment and can transmit according to make an appropriate response. Okay, appropriate response. It is called nervous tissue. Okay, this is another important question for A. And what do you mean by stroke? This is another important question for B. B non question. What do you mean by stroke? Okay. Colloquial name of brain hemorrhage is called stroke. Okay, it is deadly or fatal disease. Generally, high blood pressure is the cause of brain hemorrhage. Okay, first one, high blood pressure, frequently excess nerve pressure. ওকে, যখন আমরা খুব চিন্তিত থাকি, ওকে, নার্ভ প্রেশার সাচ অ্যাজ এজিটেশন, এক্সাইটমেন্ট, ওভারওয়ার্ক is the cause of this type of hemorrhage. Okay, overwork is also a bad habit. Okay, overwork is the cause of this type of hemorrhage. Hemorrhage or blood clotting may happen at any artery of the brain. Blood vessel affect brain. If blood enters into the ventricle of brain and skull of the patient may lead to death. Okay, at last মানুষ মারাও যেতে পারে। ডিটারমিনেশন সেরিব্রাল অ্যান্ড সেরিব্লাম and what do you understand by automatic nervous system? This is the another important question for B nong. Okay, what do you understand by automatic nervous system? Automatic. The organs which are not controlled by us are regulated and controlled by a specific nervous system that is called automatic. Okay, তোমার দেহে যেটা অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়ে যায়, this is known as automatically nervous system. The function of internal organ of the body, that means heart, intestine, stomach, pancreas, okay, are regulated by the automatic nervous system. একটু চিন্তা করো, তোমার হার্ট, ইন্টেস্টাইন, স্টোমাক এগুলোর ফাংশন কিন্তু তোমার হাতে না। ওকে, regulated by the automatic nervous system as there is no influence of brain and spinal cord. Okay, no influence of brain and spinal cord on the functions of the system. Okay, these are independent. So this is known as automatic nervous system. This is another important question for B. Then go to which is the main hormone producing gland in human body? Okay, main hormone producing gland. ঠিক আছে, can you remember this? Which is the main hormone producing gland in human body? This is the pituitary gland. Okay, the pituitary gland or hypophysis. Hypophysis situated beneath the brains. ঠিক আছে, পিটুইটারি গ্ল্যান্ডটা কোথায়? beneath the brains is the main hormone producing gland in the human body. Okay, because it secreted several hormones, so it is also called the king of the gland also. Okay, the main hormone producing gland in the human body because it secretes several hormones. Some of these have an influence on other endocrine glands. It is the smallest in size. Okay, it is like smallest in size, but it is a very important endocrine gland. It secretes thyroid stimulating hormones. Okay, it secretes thyroid stimulating, okay, such as gonadotropin, thyrotropin, prolactin, somatotropin, etc. This is the very important question for B. Okay, which is the main hormone producing gland in human body, and explain. Okay, what do you mean by stroke? Let me see. What do you mean by 3D? Another important question. 3D means discipline, diet and dose. Okay, discipline, diet, dose in diabetes patient according to the STEM. Okay, 3D means discipline, diet and dose. Discipline means regular intake of adequate quantity of balanced diet, regular exercise, okay, cleanness and food care, regular checking of urinary glucose. Diet means according to doctor advice, balanced diet should be taken regularly, and dose means without doctor's advice no medicine should be taken. Oh, okay, this is another important question for B. What do you mean by 3D? And then reflex section. Drugs affect body coordination. Why? Okay, drugs means tobacco, afim, morphine, okay, alcohol, heroin are known as addictive substance or drug. Okay, these are tobacco, afim, morphine. Okay, the use of tobaccos, chewings, jorda or smoking increase nicotine level in blood. Okay, the nicotine level in blood, at first nicotine stimulates nerve cell and afterwards it enhances the demand for nicotine in the body. ওকে, তুমি যদি এগুলোতে অভ্যস্ত হয়ে যাও, তারপর তোমার ব্লাড বা তোমার বডির ব্লাডগুলো এগুলো আরও তোমার কাছে চাবে আর কি। ঠিক আছে, আরও অতএব একবার আসক্ত হয়ে গেলে সেখান থেকে ফেরা কিন্তু কষ্ট। ওকে, নিড, হ্যাঁ, তোমার বডি নিড টু দিস ইজ হাউ পিপল বিকাম অ্যাডিক্টেড টু স্মোকিং অ্যান্ড চুইং টোবাকো. ড্রাগস ডিস্ট্রয় দ্য ইফেক্টিভনেস অফ নার্ভ সেল. ওকে, due to addiction a person is compelled to take addictive substance. In this way drug affected the coordination system. Okay, these are the important question for A and B. So you study this question very well, I hope. And my next lecture will be held chapter 10 MCQ. Okay, see you later. Allah Hafiz.